I will demonstrate how to use a rocker to control the car. Open the switch on the Micro ROS control board to start the car. And wait for about 30 seconds. Press the start button on handle. You can use the handle to control car when you hear a beep. If you didn't hear buzzer whistle, press the reset button Micro ROS control board and wait for about 30 seconds. Or remotely log into the Raspberry Pi system to view terminal prompts for errors. Open the switch on handle. Weaken green light on handle. Indicates that the handle and the car have been successfully paired. Then, we press start button. We can heard buzzer whistle. At this point, we can control the car by handle. Press the R1 button once. Left rocker can control the car to move forward and backward. Right rocker can control car to turn left and right. Right button on handle can control servo of camera. Y control the servo to up. A control the servo to down. X control the servo to the left. B control the servo to the right.